Talk Football SA. Inform, entertain, educate, promote. What can you do for us, my brother?
My brother, let me greet you in Spanish. Bonsoir, Monsiwa.
Bonsoir.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Tecuta Cruz.
Yes.
But
What's your name, my brother?
Fusim. Yeah.
Yeah, point.
Let me come to the point.
Yeah.
The point is, if you are a fool,
Yeah.
you'll watch today's game and say you'll beat Pirates.
Yes.
That's a fool.
Yeah.
Remember, Pirates, they started like this.
Yeah.
And when they start like this, a team that wins the trophy starting like this is very dangerous.
Yes.
So I just want to warn my fellow supporters that
Yes.
don't take what you saw today and say, I'm going to walk all over Pirates.
Yeah.
Look at how many players Pirates brought, the new players.
A lot.
But they still won the game.
Yes.
If you know football,
Yeah.
the team that starts very bad and win the game, that's the team that will get you results.
Yes.
So what I'm saying is, I haven't won the game as yet.
We are playing tomorrow.
But these Pirates I saw here, it's not the Pirate. It's not the Pirate that I saw last season, but it's a dangerous Pirates. It's very dangerous.
Yeah.
Because as much as you win the game, you gain the momentum.
Yes.
So they will gain the momentum.
Yes.
We are still in the process of rebuilding our team.
Yes, the chief.
Yes.
Yes.
So we won't put ourselves under pressure and say we'll beat Pirates.
Yes.
Pirates is a very solid team.
Yes.
They are very solid.
Yeah.
Each and every position they are covered.
Yeah.
Hoto didn't play. Some of you are crying about Hoto. He didn't play today, but the boy who was playing there,
Java.
he came to the party.
Especially in the side of it, so well.
That's what I'm telling you. He came to the party.
Yes.
So now because of the fans will always want the names,
Yes.
not the player on the field.
Yes.
Look at what is the player on the field. What is he doing?
What is he doing?
Before you can ask for a name.
Yes.
So for me,
We're talking football.
I can't talk about my players because Pirates was playing. I was watching
Talk
Pirates.
tomorrow.
I'll talk about Chiefs tomorrow,
Yes.
my brother.
Yeah.
But I'm just talking football in the neutral position.
As we say, we talk football.
Exactly. As I'm talking about Pirates.
Yeah.
I won't talk about Chiefs. Chiefs didn't play. Pirates play. I watched Pirates play
So
too.
let's carry on talking about the game.
Yes.
Just 1 minute.
But look at how they stretch England to the 8th seat.
Yes.
It's most unfortunately people they can just take results and say Pirates is weak.
Yeah.
But you look at last season, this team came here to pack the pass.
Yeah.
A team that comes to your ground and wants to win,
Yes.
they will attack you. But
Yeah.
this team, once they scored the equalizing goal,
wanted penalty.
they went to sit back.
Yeah.
That's what killed them. And be careful of that right wing Lunga. And I'm scared of that boy because every time when the Chiefs plays that against that boy, he always scores.
dangerous.
He always scores against us.
He almost
And
killed Sundowns in that match.
what a technique! What a
Yeah.
technique! Few of the players in South Africa that can score that goal.
Yes.
So to Pirates, congratulations, Mapakania. I wish tomorrow we win so that MTN can have.
So when you say Mapagania, why are you touching me? I look like a pirate.
No. You look like a football fan that supports Pirates.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you so much.